I'm always, I suppose, in my work more focused on unearthing the similarities through observing the differences. And that has really worked really well in our work with children, I suppose, and the younger generation, that we raise that awareness that, you know, when you dig deep, we're a country, and the connections are far greater between all the different regions, and actually outside of country too. The more I research my work, the more I find it in different communities that I've worked with. I've worked with the Syrian communities, I've worked with the Polish communities. I remember being in the library giving a workshop with a recently arrived family from Syria, and I brought rushes and I was showing them how to do Bridget's crosses, St. Bridget's crosses, and one of the mothers there who couldn't speak English, and she told the story through her son, that they made baskets out of, you know, the weaving that they did. And, you know, straight away there was a connection between weaving and, you know, of course the plants, what we're using is different, the materials are different because we're from two different regions. But similarities are so important, finding those, unearthing those similarities and finding those connections.
It's like that phrase, there's so much more that connects us than divides us.